Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If anybody's watching, thank you so much for the views. This is me and my cat just saying hello to you. He likes to be on camera, surprisingly. Hi. Okay, don't bite me. So today I wanted to show you a little haul. I got a few stuff for my birthday. It was on April 6th and I turned 30 this year, so it was very overwhelming in the moment when the clock went 1 minute past 12 or midnight, and that moment, I don't know, it felt really strange, but the next day I was like, I don't even remember like how old I am. Anyway, I don't think 30 is old at all. I still have a lot of stuff. That's my cat running and moving my carpet and camera. So I don't think 30 is that old. I feel very good, and I have a lot of stuff to achieve yet in my life, and I'm gonna do it. So yeah. Okay, so let's get into the haul. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is this ZARA top. As you can see, it has these like wide sleeves, and I absolutely love it because it gives me like retro vibes. It gives me retro vibes and I really love it. I did wear like a skin color tank top underneath, but I think black works the best, and you can also go just like a bra, but that's really not my thing. And this was around, I think, $30. I'm going to link everything I wear as usual down below in the description, so you can check it out if you like it. So this is how it looks. It's really nice, and it has all these different patterns across, and I think definitely black underneath works the best. Let me just make it focus. So as you can see, it has these little like dots, but they are actually little hearts all around the sleeves, and it looks really nice. It has this neckline here nicely, and it goes like in V. This is the sweatpants from the previous video. I absolutely love it, but I did shrink them a bit in my dryer. I was actually thinking of wearing this for my birthday, but I'm not yet sure because I didn't yet celebrate my birthday with my friends. I did celebrate it with my boyfriend and with my parents, but my both best friends were sick, so I couldn't really celebrate with them. So we are going this weekend. Super excited, so I'll see what I'm going to wear. Okay, so my cat is officially crazy. I don't know what's going on with him. February is 2 months ago. Okay, so the next thing that I want to show you, so these are the basic ZARA jeans. These are the skinny ones. Let me just go a bit further. Ignore my fridge there. I do live in an apartment and I don't have much space to film in. So these are the ZARA jeans. They are skinny ones. So Gen Z, come for me. I do like my skinny jeans sometimes. I have them in different shapes, but these work great sometimes. This is the bottom part of the jeans. As you can see, pretty skinny, basic ZARA jeans. I think I can wear them with like a nice loose shirt in the summer. Next thing that I got is this hoodie from New Yorker actually, and I have to say I go to New Yorker very rarely, and when it comes to hoodies and like sweatshirts, sweatpants, and basic t-shirts, they have the best options there, and a lot of options, at least in my city. And I have to say it's pretty okay quality but really low price, and I love going there for just like these hoodies that you can wear around the house, that you can wear every day. I absolutely love this one. I absolutely love it, and it's this Minnie Mouse sweatshirt and or hoodie. How do you say it? I'm not sure. And I think I wore it like 3 times last week, so I do like some basic. This is not too basic, but I guess since it's black, it can go with a lot of things. So yeah, definitely like it, and it's super nice quality for the price. And the last thing that I got, or 2 things, are these basic t-shirts from Stradivarius. I got one in white and one in black with this like blingy front. I usually just buy basic white or black t-shirts, and somehow they are sometimes too basic for what I need. So when I'm not wearing any jewelry or anything, I can just put these ones on, dress up a bit more. And I also liked this design, and this is the white one. So just basic. I'm thinking of wearing this one with the beige pants that I got from ZARA as well. So I think these two will go, those two will go well together. And this one with, I don't know, leggings or black leather jacket. Sorry, my cat got the Zoomies. So anyway, let's end this video here before my cat jumps and destroys my camera. Thank you so much to whoever is watching this video. This is so random. I just do this for fun, and I just want to show, I guess I share a bit of my life here on YouTube because I think it's fun. It's like a therapy, really. Now I believe those influencers, when you sit in front of a camera and just talk and share your thoughts, I really like it. And yeah, that's it. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to support me. It's still a small channel in the beginning, so any support is appreciated. So thanks, and I will see you in the next video, which I hope it won't be another haul. Bye!